Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone, and especially one and only woman of Laila. I am SITI BINTI IBRAHIM, hereby present my topics today. The topic that I'll discuss and argue with are the importance of sleep. Before we go any further, let me ask you a question. Does sleep important to you? Therefore, I'm here to help you ease your mind by sharing information with you. What is sleep? Sleep are a condition of body and mind that typically occurs for several hours every night, in which the nervous system is relatively inactive, the eyes closed, the postural muscles relaxed, and consciousness practically suspended. Stated by Oxford dictionaries. There are also a few factors and causes why is it so hard to people sleep correctly. The biggest factors and causes are insomnia. Highly people chose insomnia as their main causes why they can't sleep. Move to the second point, which is chronic pain, such as heart disease, asthma, heavy flu, and the list goes on, and why they can't sleep correctly. Travel or work schedule may disturbing your sleep time where the time change according to the places where you go. Like, for example, like Turkey had a big difference time from us, like Malaysia and Turkey. Our gap different time is like 12 hours. Last but not least, poor sleep habit. This causes likely to be happen to the students who in the high school or university or even the workers, because they need to stay up late and wake up early and without rest continuously do their routine and make it as a habit. So based on the chart that I prepared, on the chart it stated that women were noted as having the highest percentage to have sleeping problems, which is 59%, and the remaining by men, 41%. Although women also recorded having the highest percentage in 2018 that had been sleeping problems compared to the men, the percentage 42.1% more than 2019 recorded. This shows that primarily women have been sleeping problem. Chart 1 appeared at the top percentage of having sleep problems from the women. According to the Premier Health Miami Hospital, as your body hormone level change, so does the quality of your sleep. Older women wake up more often and get less deep sleep. Physical factors and such as arthritis and hot flashes and your emotion can also impact sleep. When you feel stressed, depressed, or worried, you likely sleep less soundly. Many women's sleep may be low quality than men's, perhaps due to the differences in how they spend their day. Compared to men, women do almost twice the amount of housework. Stated by BINTI ETL 2005 and Childcare Aldous Mulligan and Bojarnas in 1998. As individuals form families and raise children, women may face decreasing time for sleep relative to the men. So we move to the second chart, which is most commonly reported sleep disorders by the respondent, which is chart 2, represent that insomnia are the biggest causes of people who have been sleeping problem by far. The smallest factor that people complain about are sleepwalking and narcolepsy by 1% together. In the meantime, the other causes chronic pain, restless leg syndrome, respiratory conditions, and heavy snoring are the remaining percentage based on the chart by far. Insomnia have the major concern throughout the years. This can be manifest by the effect lack of sleep can cause a bunch of health issues like high blood sugar level, liver problem, weight gain, and severe depression. Chronic insomnia can increase the likelihood of some serious diseases and illnesses, including the heart attack and stroke, declared by University of Kansas Health System 2018. Besides insomnia, stress and irregular sleep schedule, poor sleeping habit, mental health disorder like anxiety and depression, physical problem and specific sleep disorder, it's important to receive a diagnosis and treatment right away if you suspect you might have sleep disorder. When left untreated, the negative effect of sleep disorder can lead to further health consequences. They can also affect your performance at work, cause strain in relationship and impair your ability to perform daily activities. If you sleep well, you also can gain benefit of the sleeping. Like first, sleep can boost your immune system. Secondly, sleep can strengthen your heart. Third, better sleep, better mood. Fourth, sleep improves your memory. And last but not least, lack of sleep can be dangerous. literally. So if you are sleeping wrongly, like for the amount of time, sleep deprivation can lead to serious health problems. Sleep disorder and chronic sleep loss can put you at risk for heart disease, heart attack, heart failure, irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, stroke, and diabetes. According to some estimates, 90% of people with insomnia, a sleep disorder characterized by trouble falling and staying asleep, also have another health condition. So, does this problem have a cure, or can we treat the treatment to the problem? So there's plenty of treatment options for insomnia are available. Good sleep habit and a healthy diet can remedy many cases of insomnia. Behavior therapy or medication may be necessary in some cases. It's important to determine whether or not an underlying issue or medical condition is causing your insomnia. So first, you can use sleeping pills or melatonin supplements. Secondly, an assistive breathing device or surgery usually for sleep apnea, and less medications for underlying health issues. So what can we conclude for today's topics? Lack of sleep will interfere with the natural healing process that takes place within the body, which is detrimental to health and wellness. Sleep is not only beneficial to physical health but to emotional health, safety, and quality of life. Sleep is essential and function that allows your body and mind to recharge, leaving you refreshed and alert when you wake up. Healthy sleep also helps the body remain healthy and safe of diseases. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly. Sleep affects almost every tissue in our body, said Dr. Michael Torrey, a sleep expert at NIH. It affects growth and stress hormone, our immune system, appetite, breathing, blood pressure, and cardiovascular health. Research shows that a lack of sleep increases the risk for obesity, heart disease, and infections. Sleep is an essential function that allows your body and mind to recharge, leaving you refreshed and alert when you wake up. Healthy sleep also helps the body remain healthy and safe of diseases. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly. So that's for today. Thank you. But before I leave you guys, do you have any question for me? If not, thank you for today.